Lots of beach grass. And then they have built in some nice rubbish containers and some assorted benches. There's some strange driftwood stuff here. My kids are down this way playing the dune that's swept up in front of the seawall. Lots of driftwood. Somebody's built some funky construction thing over here. Probably somebody building a wild campfire or something, some ritual thing. My girlfriend Jennifer burned away her 30s on this beach on her 40th birthday. So we all brought something to contribute to the fire. It had to be legal. We had to get a permit and all that. But that was an interesting thing. There's some surfers out here too. I saw them. Yeah, there they are. Out that way. He's trying. Not much swell to catch. But he's up there. He's trying for whatever little bit he can get, I guess. You can barely see him. Okay, so we've crossed back over at Pacheco, and so we're going to head this way back on to the path and walk home on the east side of the Great Highway. So we've been on both sides and went down to the beach. The kids did. They're filthy. Pretty dirty. Alexis made it okay, but of course, what is... Oh yes, there's a whole bunch of them around here, no doubt. Oh yes. See the ice plant, guys? It's blooming so nicely.
Alexis, come here! I found the gopher hole!
We have a few of those in our garden in the front now, don't we? So this path I really like. People can run on the right or ride their bikes in the dirt there. I walk along it a lot. Sorry I'm bouncing too much. Isn't she just so pretty? Beautiful girl.